Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, good afternoon. How's everybody doing today? The real Food Mood back with you. You know what I'm saying? Another day, another video. Today we did some more local spots. We did a spot on Lawrence Street. I think it's 183 Lawrence Street, called the Boricua Market. Now, you know, it's a little bodega store, so, you know, you chips and sodas and stuff, or basic essentials, you know what I mean? But they also do grinders. And yes, I got me a steak and cheese grinder. First, we just gonna show you the chips. Honey barbecue chips. Yum yum dim sum. Little ginger ale beverage to wash it all down, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I shook it up, that was dumb. And then, of course, the star of the show is the grinder itself, which is just, hold on a second. I'm sorry about this, y'all. As you can see, it is worth the wait. It's not like a 10-minute wait. You get out there, it wasn't packed today. Hard to see everything that's in there, but some steak, cheese, mayo, a little light on the lettuce. I got onions and peppers. I wish y'all could smell that. You know what I'm saying? Let me try to get y'all a real, okay, nice and decent long. See how long that is? Yeah. So, you know, the real Food Mood. And, hold on, let me get some napkins. Give me a napkin or two out here. We're gonna get this bad boy started just for y'all. Hope I ain't fucking up my mic. Doing all this extra. Use some of these Subway napkins. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna hop to it. Yeah, y'all want that first bite? Look at that. There you go. I don't know if y'all can see that steam coming off, but it's beautiful right there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna. Is there anything better? Happy Tuesday, everybody. You know what I mean? Steak and cheese, extra mayo. Shout out to Chell, Lorraine's Life. Y'all want to check her out on YouTube? She challenged me. Now your boy got to do some old left-handed crazy shit. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to try it. I might try it tonight if I go live. I'm not making no promises. You know what I'm saying? But I'll hit that up. I still got a couple people. Oh, shout out to one of my biggest supporters. He always telling me he want me to succeed. Mr. Bernard Lee. You know what I mean? Born and raised in Hartford, of course. Now residing somewhere else. But, you know, he's doing his thing. Taking care of the kids and everything. Yo. Son. Hope my mic's in there. I'm messing up. This shit is popping, bro. Trust me. It is popping. The bread is just crispy. I put to the store while I'm getting 183 Lawrence Street, Boricua Market, man. Breakfast grinders, whatever. Two men in there working hard right now. This shit is banging. Sorry for the cursing. Trying to make the video too long. I know my videos be there sometimes. I just can't help it. I'm gonna rip these chips open soon. Y'all just don't understand, son. Every bite, yo. I'm not killing you. Every bite. I went to a little asthma right now. Them dudes be serious, boy. Quiet. honey barbecue. Can't go wrong with these, y'all. I was looking for some jalapenos. But of course, never got what you wanted. If you don't want it, they're everywhere. This is what's up. This is gonna be a quick alternation. This is a quick alternation right here. Cause I'm gonna get to this grinder. This dude is on the side trying to talk to me. So I just gotta ignore this dude. Sorry about that. It was some dude. Y'all didn't see him. I was trying to get my attention, but it is what it is. Hartford, God love it. Bad boy to the side. Trying to spill everything on me like I always do. Crack open that. Y'all like that sound, right? Get some of this tasty beverage. Ginger ale. Ginger ale. Grinder time. Grinder time. Let me see if I can get one piece of this grinder up. I'll have to hold the whole thing. We'll get this up. Try not to make a mess out of myself. Hope everybody's enjoying their day. I'm enjoying mine right now. Getting ready to watch some Celtics later. And they busting ass as usual. Shout out to all the real Celtics fans. All you Lakers fans, there's a thumbs down to y'all. Y'all lucky Dame hurt. Lucky. This is spectacular. Uh-oh. Look at that shit. You see that? This is fat people shit right here. Don't fuck up my mic. Try not to eat with the whole thing and everything that's on me, man. Whack. Sorry, not doing too much talking. I'm really just enjoying it. Uh-oh. All up in my thumbs and shit. Oh, got a nice whip. Look at the Kia. You know, the Kia is tough. That's what's up. One half down. One more half to go. One more half to go. That's that shredded steak right there. I probably can't see that. This is a really good spot right here, y'all. We about to bust Toronto's ass later on. Damn, I can't wait. When we painting, when we rocking on all cylinders, when Kemba, first of all, Tatum and Brown are enough. You know what I'm saying? Just enough for a team to be bothered with. You get Kemba going and Smart going, they are a tough out. Yes, they are. But enough about that. Let's focus on the real champion. Whole damn family just came out of Dunkin' Donuts. God damn. No, I mean, I'm not dissing that, but you know. Yeah, I want some of that. Hold on. Let that focus in. Please focus in. The sun all crazy up on it. It's extra right now. The real food mood, baby. Like, subscribe, share if you can. Support. Try my best to rock that challenge. She did regular ramen noodles, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to do the spicy ones. I'm pretty much gonna fail because I rarely eat with just my left hand. Like, I'm using my left hand now to hold the grinder up, but I ain't never grabbing a fork and twirling it and doing all that extra. So I'm gonna try my best with it. I'm gonna try better with that than what I'm doing trying to get crumbs off me. This is weird. Like, oh, excuse me. I burped that down extra, huh? Oh, man. And this gram, your boy getting stuffed. Yo, just the bread, though. You know what I'm saying? Got crispiness to it. Good job to them, man. Everybody keep supporting. Keep sending me comments. Let me know. Oh, one more thing, all the YouTubers call ourselves a family. But yet, I noticed in some of my videos, I got the elbows of hell. And not one of my family members hit the comment and let me know, damn, Jay, your elbows are in chalk right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all just let a brother come on here with bright, ashy elbows and not nobody said nothing, man. Shame on y'all. If I seen y'all ashed up like that, I'd be like, hey, girl, you want to lotion that up before you hit record. You know what I'm saying? I guess the love is different. Oh, look at all that mail. I did that for extra mail. 13 minutes. I'll take forever to eat, boy. Hey, Boricua Market, 183 Lawrence Street, Hartford. Get y'all sandwiches, bruh. 10 minutes to make. I walked in, I ordered, went in my car, listened to like 2 or 3 songs, got back up. As soon as I walked back in, Jason, right there waiting for me. All extra mailed up. And you can see it. It's been going down here. I'm sorry if I wasn't as entertaining today. I really am focused on eating this. You want to talk to me? The Real FoodMood Instagram, The Real FoodMood Facebook. People hit me on Facebook. I don't have Messenger, man. I had Messenger. Just kept getting these weird people trying to scam you out of money, so I got rid of Messenger. So if you want to hit me up, you can always talk to me on the Instagram. I'm always on. I ain't even do no rotation. That's crazy. And this concludes another successful mowing down of something and my whip. Uh-oh. Till next time, The Real Food Mood. Like, subscribe, share. Watch every videos. Watch my videos. I watch y'all videos. Have a good Tuesday, people. Hold on. Let me get my